Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the search engine in Zen Browser in 2026. If you want to switch from the default search engine to Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another option, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Zen Browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Next, click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window and open the settings page. Now look for the search section in the settings menu. This is where Zen Browser manages your default search engine preferences. Next, locate the default search engine option and click the drop-down menu beside it. Now select the search engine you want to use from the available list. Common options may include Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and others. Next, confirm your selection if prompted. The browser will automatically save the new setting. Now open a new tab and perform a quick search from the address bar to test the change. If your preferred search engine is not listed, check the Manage Search Engines section and add it manually if supported. Next, remove unused search engines if you want to keep your browser settings organized. Finally, restart Zen Browser if necessary to ensure all search settings are applied correctly, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the search engine in Zen Browser. Your searches will now use the provider you've selected as your default search engine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.